Black girls in art spaces just landed in Vogue. This is the headline. Black Girls in Art Spaces founder Kaci Merriwether-Hawkins is creating a global community for Black women in glam. I want to slow that down, okay? I want to slow that down and actually understand what that means. This kind of thing is not happening quickly. It's not happening overnight. This is what it looks like when community becomes part of our infrastructure. Black Girls in Art Spaces has been building, I want to say quietly, but we see them. We see them showing up, consistently creating real access, real connection. And now the mainstream just catching up, okay? So I want to be really clear. Vogue doesn't just randomly spotlight people. They don't do that. This is cultural validation, mainstream cultural validation. And in the art world, that's really, really, really rare. And it matters for us to pay attention to what she's doing if you haven't been already. That type of visibility is going to create currency for her, which is going to create capital for her, which will allow her to continue going with this programming. You don't just wait for institutions, you become better than them. You become an organization that is organized and that is mission driven, better than the ones you don't believe in. And that's exactly what she's doing. I do want to pause for a second, very respectfully, to tell you guys about the Glory Collective. Every single Monday morning, I host office hours, and every Thursday, I host a Glory Lab, where we're building the strategy, the language, the systems that turn artists into the kind of people, hopefully, that Vogue writes about. If you're not in that room yet, the link is in the description. Now, back to Black Girls in Art Spaces. I just want to say that this is what it looks like when someone decides to build something that they want to see exist, and they do it well enough that everyone has to pay attention. This moment is so much bigger than one feature in Vogue. This is so much bigger than one event, even two events. This is about Black women creating global networks in art, in design, in culture, on their own terms. This is about visibility. It's about power. It's about infrastructure. So yes, absolutely, this is breaking news. But more importantly, it's a preview. And it's a preview of where this industry is going. And Kaci is leading the way. If you're not paying attention to moments like this, you are 100% behind. Those that are paying attention, they're going to her tours, they're showing up, they're already a part of her community. So if you haven't read that article yet, make sure to click the link in my description, read the article. If you don't follow her on Instagram, make sure you follow her on Instagram. Get to know Kaci Merriwether-Hawkins. Get to know Black Girls in Art Spaces. And if you also want to be a part of a community that is learning about the strategy and how to move forward in this industry, make sure you guys join the Glory Collective. I'll see you soon.